Welcome to Virtual Office Training. Today I am going to teach you how to use Countif function in Excel. Just open Excel worksheet. Here you can see a weekly attendance sheet. Now, and I have already used a conditional formatting here. That's why you can see P, A and L in different colors. Now I want to calculate total present, total absent and total leave. How can I calculate these? I can use Countif function for this purpose. Countif function calculate the criteria. Uh, just for this, just type is equal to Countif bracket on. If you type the Countif and bracket on, it tells you the range. What is the range which you want to calculate? I want to calculate this range, in this range, uh, uh, and comma, what is the criteria, what is you want to calculate? I want to calculate P, that's why I type P here. But if you type any string in the formula, you have to type between double quotation. Just press double quotation, P and double quotation and bracket close and press enter, because I want to calculate total present. That's why I type P, click enter. You will see it calculated total P. Total P is 4, and I want to copy this formula below. How can I copy this formula? If you see the cursor of mouse, you can see it is white, but if you go to the right bottom cell, then you can you will see it is black. When it is black, just press double click. You will see it automatically calculated all the values of P. Here is a P is 3 times and 2 times here. It calculated total present of every students. Now I want to calculate total absent. How can I calculate? Just type is equal to Countif bracket on. What is the range? Here is a range, comma, what is the criteria? I want to calculate A and bracket close. Just enter and go to the right bottom and double click. Here is a total absent. Now you can calculate total leave is equal to Countif bracket on, what is the range, comma, quotation L. I want to calculate total leave. That's why you can calculate any criteria very efficiently by using Countif function. Hope this tip will be very helpful for you. Thanks for watching.